All right, good morning, everybody. Ready to get started here. No initial positions on right now. Okay, we'll go through a few things here before we get started. Once again, the purpose of this live show is to demonstrate my method of trading. We do trade the indices, which you're going to see right up here. We have the ES, E-mini, we have the RT Russell, YM, which is your Wall Street 30, and NQ US Tech. We'll also be watching gold this morning and silver, crude oil, natural gas, and BTC, which is going to be your Bitcoin. We also do trade, and we do like trading short term on the Aussie US, Euro US, and US yen currencies. The method that we use on trading the currencies is called, we use the core setups. Core is a package that we teach 5 different setup patterns that we use for that. And we'll be watching those this morning as well. Right now I don't have any initial positions on. And so we're just waiting for a setup. With the commodities and the indices, I will give you a entry, price target, and if we don't hit our price target or our profit objective, we will reverse and go in the other direction. And if we need to do that, we'll also, at that time, also provide you with a profit target as well. So we're just getting started this morning, not seeing any initial setups yet, so we're going to start watching here. If you have any questions, you can always go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, and you can go ahead and contact me that way with your questions. Glad to answer those for you. My method of trading is different. I don't use indicators. Everything that I use are based on what I call behavioral patterns, something I talked about over 30 years ago, and I've been using them ever since. It's the only reliable thing that I've ever found in the market that holds up over time. And also, these patterns are universal, so I can use them in stocks if I wanted to. But my focus right now is going to be on the currencies, the forex, and also the these indices and some of these commodities. All right, wait for a short setup. As soon as I get one, I'll let you know. Possible short coming up on the RTY, but I'm just watching that. Nothing yet. Okay, looks like we're going to start off with a buy this morning on the gold. Getting a buy this morning on the gold. Buying the gold is going to be anything below 1980. It's at 79 right now. All right, so in our profit target on this gold is going to bring us up to 1984. 1984. And reversal, if we need to reverse, if we don't hit profit target, what we would do is we will reverse at 1972. All right, so that's our initial position right now. We are we are long the gold. Possible short coming up on the Euro US, and that's going to be a 0843, 1.0843 short. Short of 43 on the Euro US. This trade will stay in no longer than 5 minutes. All right, so far pretty quiet morning so far. Looks like that euro. Let's see what's the euro doing. Euro sitting at 37. We're still short from 43. Gonna get out of here in 30 seconds. And that was a winning trade on that Euro US. That was a core setup, one of our patterns in our core package. So out of the Euro US, we're still long the gold, looking for a profit target on that to be 1984. Okay, still long our gold, 79 gold. Waiting to see if we can hit a profit target of 1984. Once again, if you're not familiar with if you're not familiar with what we're trading, if I say ES, that's going to be the E-mini, or what we call the US 500. We do have RTY, which is your Russell, your small cap. We have YM, which is your Wall Street 30, and NQ, which is US Tech. And of course, GC for gold, SI for silver, CL for crude oil, and NG for natural gas, and of course BTC for Bitcoin. Watching all of those for potential trades. If I do see something, I will call it out. I'll let you know what our entry is, what our profit target is, and also if we don't hit profit target, we do reverse. I'll give you those as well. Gold is slowly inching its way up. Dow's going to open here in about 10 mix. Looks like it's going to be a fairly mixed opening. Probably open lower would be my expectation. All right, if you're just joining us, only thing we have on right now is longer gold. We're still longer gold, trying to hit a 1984 objective. Okay, getting a buy over here on the yen at 53. Buy at 53, 125, 53. 125.53. Gonna exit this trade in about 30 seconds. 125.53 is our long. Oh no, just closed at 52.8, so I was a loser on that 53 long. Okay, we're getting a 25 short on the Aussie US 0825. Aussie US will have a short at 74.35. No premium right now on that. If it does rally, I do like that 74.35 short. All right, just still long gold. Target 84, 1984, 1972 is going to be the stop and reverse. Looks like we're going to still get a fairly quiet opening over here on this Dow. It's going to open here in about 4 minutes. All right, about a minute to go here before the Dow opens up. Start to get a little bit more activity in here. Morning, Yolanda. All right, about 20 seconds to go here. Still short the Aussie US, still short the Euro US. Kind of get out in 15 seconds. Still short 25 on the Euro US, 74.35 on the Aussie US. Okay, that was a win on the Aussie US. Also had a win on the Euro US. Dow is now open up. Let's see if we can get some activity here. Just got to buy on the US ES. Be careful first thing in the morning. Could get a little choppy in here. Be careful. But we are getting a buy. Entry was below 140. It's 44.47. Target on this is going to be 44.53 and a half. 44.53 and a half. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse at 34.34.75. 44.34.75. That is going to be the reversal. Once again, if we don't hit target and we get reversal, we do reversing going the other direction, of which then I will provide you with a new profit target. So we're along the ES, trying to hit 44.53 and a half. Getting to buy on crude oil and also getting to buy on natural gas. Entry on crude, 103.05. Target on crude is going to bring us up to 103.45. That is going to be our profit target. If we don't hit target, we will reverse at 102.25. All right, long natural gas. Target on natural gas going to bring us up to 70.35. 70.35. Natural gas entry was 701. 701. Target 70.35. If we need to reverse on natural gas, we'll reverse at 696. Morning, hon. Okay, long crude, long natural gas, long ES, US 500, still long gold. Profit target hit on natural gas.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on ES. Still on crude, still on gold. What is HF? HF is a pattern. HF is a pattern. That's what HF stands for. Yeah, thank you, Glenn. You too. Okay, still long crude, trying to hit a target of 103.45. If we don't hit that, we will reverse at 102.25. No setups on the Aussie US, Euro US, or US Yen. Nothing on RTY, nothing on YM, nothing on NQ. ES exited with the target. And we're long gold and long crude. So if you're not familiar with my style, basically I don't use any type of indicators. I'm not a Gann guy. I don't use Gann. I don't use Fibonacci. Don't watch Elliott Wave. We researched all of those. Never found them to be consistently profitable. We don't use your standard candlestick patterns. Everything that I do here is based on price patterns, what we call behavioral patterns. And the unique thing about my particular patterns that I've been using now for over 30 years, been in the business for 40, is that they are universal. So I can use the same pattern on a E-mini, and I can use the same pattern to trade the silver or a Forex pair. So they're universal, so they work across the board. I'm not aware of any indicator that will allow you to do that without having to change the parameters. There are no parameters on these behavioral patterns. And so if you haven't been to my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com, tons of videos out there. Really good fundamental video. I suggest you watch that, give you a little bit more idea on how I trade and how I look at the markets. Also, if you haven't signed up for my free webinar, go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Sign up for that. It's free, and also at the end of the webinar, I will give you a nice little trading system, method, trading system, whatever you want to call it. All right, just sitting here long crude, Gold's still long. Gold's been really quiet here and choppy. So once again, these are the, if I say ES, once again, look up here in the top right hand corner. ES stands for the E-mini. We have RTY, which is your Russell, YM, Wall Street 30, NQ, US Tech. Oh, we are getting a short on RTY, short on RTY. Target is moving fast on RTY, looking for a target of 2019 on this RTY.
Profit target hit.
Wow, it already hit target. So RTY hit target, that was a fast one. Okay, getting a short on ES now, getting a short on ES. ES short. Coming in at 44.41 short. Target on ES is going to bring us down to 44.34 and a half. 44.34 and a half. That is going to be our profit target. And if we need to reverse, we're going to reverse at 44.53 and a half. 44.53 and a half. That means we would reverse and go in the other direction. Okay, short ES, target 44.34 and a half. Still on crude. No setups on the currencies. Nothing on silver. Nothing on Wall Street 30. Nothing yet on US Tech. No, it does not. No, HF does not stand for high frequency. Okay, ES is still short, looking for a target of 44.34 and a half. Watching YM, we'll see YM may be coming into a short. No, HF is just the name of the name that I gave to the pattern. It's something that we use in our short-term trading, but it's also something I use in my overnight trades, my daily trades. It's probably the strongest pattern I have for dailies. Okay, watching YM for a potential short. ES getting closer to target. Looks like we're getting ready to go short YM. Yeah, one short YM, going short Wall Street 30.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on ES. Target hit on ES, and we are short YM. YM short came in at 346.63. Target on YM is going to bring us down to 346.13. 346.13. And reversal is going to be, if we don't hit target, we're going to reverse at 347.63.
Reverse sell.
Okay, reversing on gold, so we're now going short on gold at 1972. Target on gold is going to bring us down to 1968. 1968. Reversal on gold, if we don't hit target, it's going to be, let's see here, 1980. Okay, now we're short gold. Target 1968. Short above 72. Anything above 72 is a nice short. Still short YM. Still long crude. Crude trying to hit a target of 103.45. Dow's up 166. But we are short YM. Looking for a target on YM to be 346.13. Still short. Also short gold now. Still on crude oil. Still not getting anything on the currencies. Okay, YM getting closer to target.
Profit target hit.
YM just hit profit target. Okay, still short gold. Long crude. Looks like they're getting a short on Bitcoin right now. Short on Bitcoin. Bitcoin short came in at 405.25 or slightly above that. So anything above 405.25 is a short. Target on Bitcoin is going to bring us down to 401.50. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 412.75.
Profit target hit.
Gold hit target. Exiting gold. Okay, we're still long crude. Bitcoin is short. So if you're new to my style of trading, we're still offering for this month. You can get a free week in the trial room. You're going to get charged. I'm going to have one of my patterns in there with the buy and sell arrows. You can track the pattern and see if you like my style. You get the first week absolutely free, and that will also include for the whole week, all of the nightly setups. We place those trades the night before and we just let them expire the following day. And if you decide you want to stay after the first week, it's only $50 a month. You can cancel at any time. You just head on over to binaryprostrategies.com, click on the products button, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see that the trial room. All right, right now we don't really have anything going on, just still long this crude oil. Bitcoin is still in a short. Looks like that US yen wants to start coming down. Be watching for that US yen possible short coming up, watching the yen, but it looks like she wants to go lower here. Wait for a core setup on that before I take a short. When I say core, it's part of the core package. It's one of 5 different patterns we trade in core. And I will be looking for a short on the yen. Okay, so we're at the top of the hour. Our first live broadcast is going to end. Once again, if you'd like to learn more, go to binaryprostrategies.com. Please be sure to sign up for that free webinar. Also, check out all my YouTube videos. A lot of good educational videos out there. Watch those videos. Give you a better idea of my style of trading. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Just go to binaryprostrategies.com and shoot me your questions. Always glad to answer your questions the best I can. And I want to thank you for being with me this morning. I am here every morning. First hour is going to be free, Monday through Friday. So besides that, everybody have a great trading day. Looks like we're going to have some really good volatility in here, so looking forward to it. All right, well, those on YouTube and Facebook, we will see you tomorrow. Students, stay with us. We'll continue on here in the live room.